Back in June 2021, Dr. Jane Goodall came and gave us a talk, and she mentioned the Roots and Shoots programme during that talk. And so we were really inspired at Bournemouth University to get our own group going. So we worked with some students and we paired up with St Luke's Primary School in Winton. And so we ran a series of activities which were focused on animals in their environment and how we can conserve those habitats. So we did one activity which was actually looking at owls, and we dissected some owl pellets which the children really loved, and we talked about what kind of environments owls need to live and hunt in. We ran an activity which looked at the conservation of salmon, and then we also did an activity where we looked at microplastic in waterways and how that can be harmful.
The activities have inspired the children because it's given them a chance to look closer at the challenges that we face in our environment. The main activity was the redesigning of our pond because it had become old and derelict and there was no life in it at all. The children got an opportunity to submit their designs in the form of a competition, and the winning designs, there were 3, were chosen by staff and by students at Bournemouth University. And it was a real community effort though once the work got started, and we even had the local fire brigade come and fill the pond for us.
For the students, it was a fantastic opportunity to be involved in outreach and think about how to communicate the things they're learning at university to younger children.
I'm studying archaeology, and I was offered during one of my lectures to go help dig a pond, which sounded really interesting. And then I found out it was for this conservation program, which was really good. And it was really fun helping out with the primary school children to help dig a pond that they can look after and learn from.
So I was mostly involved with helping out with the pond, and it's a really important project because within the UK, ponds have seen massive decline of about 70% over the past century, mostly to do with ponds being neglected. And this pond in particular was a really good example of that it become overgrown, the water level had dropped.
Since it's been finished, we've seen so much new wildlife being attracted, and this morning we've even had pond dipping out there and the children have found a family of newts.
Miss Turner, we found a fat newt! I'm really excited about the newts, mainly because we haven't had the pond for that long. I found a frog-like creature hiding at the very bottom.
Seeing it thrive in the future, I think, is a fantastic thing for the children, and then hopefully as they grow up and grow older, they'll go into secondary schools and start their own Jane Goodall Institute Roots and Shoots groups, and it can grow from there.